In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable snapping in Inkscape. Snapping is the feature that helps your shapes, lines, and nodes lock neatly into place as you move or draw them. It's ideal for precise alignment. Think perfectly meeting corners, centered icons, and clean layouts without guesswork. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where the controls live and how to turn snapping on, so you can work faster and more accurately. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load the interface. You'll see your canvas in the center, toolbars on the sides, and various controls along the top and bottom. If your workspace looks slightly different, don't worry. Inkscape's layout can vary by version or screen size, but the controls we need are still in the same general area. Next, open a document. You can load an existing file or create a new one. Either works. The important thing is to have something on the canvas that you can move around, like a shape or a path, so you can immediately see snapping in action once it's enabled. Even a simple rectangle is enough to test the behavior. Now, look to the top right corner of the Inkscape window for the snapping controls. You're hunting for the magnet icon. This magnet represents the global snapping state. When snapping is off, objects move freely. When it's on, they'll try to attach to anchors like nodes, paths, guides, and grid intersections, depending on your existing settings. If your window is narrow, these icons might compress, maximize the window, or glance carefully along the top toolbar to spot the magnet. Click the magnet icon to enable snapping. When active, it typically highlights to show it's turned on. From this point forward, as you move or transform objects, you should feel them nudge into alignment against nearby elements. This is perfect for crisp, repeatable positioning without eyeballing. If you don't notice snapping immediately, try moving an object close to a corner, edge, or guide. The cursor should subtly snap when it finds a target. Alternatively, click the small arrow next to the magnet icon to reveal the global switch. This expanded control lets you toggle snapping for everything at once. It's handy if snapping seems disabled, even though the magnet looks active, or if you need to quickly pause snapping for a moment of free-form movement and then turn it back on. That's it. With snapping enabled, you'll find alignment more reliable and design tasks noticeably faster. Keep the magnet visible, toggle it as needed, and enjoy cleaner, more precise work in Inkscape.